Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered if someone or something might be looking back? We've all heard the stories, seen the movies, and read the headlines. But what if extraterrestrial life isn't light years away on some distant planet? What if aliens are already here, quietly living among us, hidden in plain sight? Today we were diving deep into one of the most fascinating mysteries of our time. The possibility that aliens might be walking beside us, blending into our world and shaping human history in ways we're only beginning to imagine. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, keep an open mind, because by the end of this video, you might see our world and your place in it very differently. Let's start with something undeniable. The universe is vast. Astronomers estimate there are over 100 billion galaxies, each containing billions of stars and potentially trillions of planets. Statistically, it's almost impossible that Earth is the only planet where life has emerged. And if that's true, then it is equally possible that some of that extraterrestrial life is far more advanced than we are, perhaps advanced enough to travel across the stars. Now here's where things get truly interesting. If an alien civilization is capable of interstellar travel, what's stopping them from visiting Earth? And if they're already here, how would we even know? The idea that aliens might be among us isn't new. For decades, people around the world have reported strange sightings, unexplained phenomena, and encounters that seem to defy logic. These UFO sightings, or as they're now officially called UAPs, unidentified anomalous phenomena, are documented by civilians, pilots, even military personnel. Some of these UFO sightings are fleeting, lights darting across the sky faster than any aircraft, or strange objects hovering silently before vanishing without a trace. Others are more detailed. Witnesses describe craft with technology beyond our understanding. Vehicles that can accelerate instantly, make sharp turns at impossible speeds, and disappear in ways that defy the laws of physics. If these are not human-made, then what are they? And who's behind them? But sightings are only part of the story. Throughout history, people have claimed to have direct alien encounters. These stories vary wildly, from alleged abductions aboard spacecraft to meetings with beings that look human but feel different. Some claim that these extraterrestrial visitors communicate telepathically. Others say they deliver messages about humanity's future, warning us about war, climate change, or self-destruction. Are these alien encounters genuine, or the product of imagination? Science hasn't confirmed any of them, yet. But the sheer number of reports, across cultures and centuries, is hard to ignore. Now let us entertain a bold possibility. What if some aliens don't need to reveal themselves at all? What if they're already living here, disguised as humans, studying us, guiding us, or simply blending into society unnoticed? It sounds like science fiction, but consider this. If a civilization is advanced enough to travel across galaxies, they might also be capable of genetic engineering, shape-shifting, or advanced camouflage beyond anything we can detect. Some researchers believe that if extraterrestrial life is here, it might not look like the little green men we imagine. It could be microscopic life thriving in extreme environments, or even artificial intelligence created by an alien civilization. But others go further, suggesting that certain unexplained events, historical leaps in technology, and even myths about gods descending from the sky might actually point to extraterrestrial intervention throughout human history. Here's a chilling thought. If aliens are living among us, they could have been here for centuries, maybe even longer than humanity itself. Could ancient stories of sky gods, star beings, or mysterious visitors actually be historical records of alien contact? Could ancient structures like the pyramids or Stonehenge have been influenced by extraterrestrial knowledge? Mainstream science remains skeptical, but alternative theorists argue that there are too many coincidences to dismiss. And what about modern times? Some conspiracy theories claim that governments around the world already know about alien presence and are hiding the truth. Declassified documents, leaked footage, and whistleblower testimonies have fueled speculation that there is more to the UFO phenomenon than we are being told. Why the secrecy? Some argue it's to prevent mass panic. Others believe it's about controlling technology or knowledge that could shift global power. Whatever the reason, one thing is clear. The conversation about aliens among us is no longer confined to the fringes. It's happening in mainstream science, politics, and media. But let's pause for a moment and ask a deeper question. If aliens are truly living among us, what would that mean for humanity? Would it change how we see ourselves? Would religions, governments, and societies adapt or collapse? Imagine the impact of undeniable proof that extraterrestrial life is not only real, but walking beside us every day. It would be the most profound discovery in human history, reshaping our understanding of biology, technology, and our place in the universe. And yet, maybe that discovery has already happened. We just haven't recognized it. Maybe the reason we haven't seen definitive proof of extraterrestrial life is because we were looking for the wrong thing. Instead of expecting dramatic landings or public announcements, perhaps alien visitors are subtle, observing quietly, guiding gently, or even coexisting peacefully without revealing their true nature. Here's a thought experiment. Look around you, at the people you pass on the street, your coworkers, your neighbors. What if one of them isn't from Earth? Would you be able to tell? Or would they be so perfectly integrated into human society that you'd never suspect a thing? It's a question that sparks curiosity, wonder, and maybe a little bit of unease. We're still at the beginning of understanding the vastness of the cosmos. Every new discovery, from Earth-like exoplanets to unexplained signals from deep space, brings us closer to answering the ultimate question: are we alone? And if we're not, the follow-up question might be even more profound. Are they already here? Whether aliens among us are reality or myth, the possibility pushes us to explore, to question, and to keep searching. Maybe one day we'll have undeniable proof. Until then, the mystery remains. A puzzle that invites us to look beyond what we think we know and imagine a universe far stranger and more wondrous than we ever dreamed. So the next time you look up at the stars, remember, the answer to one of humanity's oldest questions might not be out there at all. It might be right here, standing next to you, watching, waiting, and silently reminding us that we're part of something far bigger than ourselves.